Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through an easy process on how to download Lomotif application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Open up your Play Store to begin, but always make sure to be connected to a strong internet connection, whether it is your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. And once you are connected, go ahead and type in Lomotif in the search box at the very top. Now, tap the search button at the lower right hand corner to make your search, and you should see the application displayed at the very top on the next page. If you tap on the app, you can go ahead and view further information about the app in this page. Lomotif is a social video platform which is used in order to make easiest video edits for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok using your favorite songs. To quickly download the application for your Android, tap on the install button in green and wait until the application gets downloaded and installed for your smartphone. It'll only take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Soon after the application gets downloaded on your Android, you can see an open button popping up. Tap it on to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Lomotif social video platform application for your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.